Hi, welcome to my kitchen. I'm getting ready for Thanksgiving, and if you're like me, you want your family to be eating healthier versions of the traditional foods that they probably grew up with. So first things first, we're going to start with the appetizers. How would you like to know how to make this delicious cheese ball? It is raw and vegan, and believe it or not, it actually was preferred over the traditional cheese ball in previous family gatherings. So stay tuned and we'll show you how to do it. Hi, I'm Joann Loy, and I'm a certified raw vegan chef, and I have been uncooking since 2010. If you're excited about learning to make this raw vegan cheese ball, hit the like button now and let's get started. For this recipe, I chose macadamia nuts, which I will soak for about 30 minutes to an hour. If you choose to use another nut such as cashews or almonds, that's okay, but you just need to keep in mind you'll need to soak those overnight. And then you have your sun-dried tomatoes, which we also soaked in purified water for about 30 minutes or so, and this will soften them up and give the cheese ball a nice rich flavor and really pretty color. Cutting them up makes it easier to blend well in the processor. Next, we need to melt some coconut oil over low heat that has been turned on and turned off just to barely keep it warm to melt the coconut oil. This helps bind the cheese ball together. Our ingredients include coconut oil, macadamia nuts, and sun-dried tomatoes, along with apple cider vinegar, miso paste, nutritional yeast, and spices consisting of sea salt, onion powder, mustard powder, smoked paprika, and turmeric. And now we're going to drain the macadamia nuts and rinse them well. And drain the sun-dried tomatoes. We're going to place the nuts into the blender along with the remaining ingredients, the sun-dried tomatoes, the nutritional yeast, the miso paste, the cider vinegar, coconut oil, and the spice mixture. Put the lid on the blender and using the tamper, start blending into a nice smooth paste, creamy paste. There may be a point where you may need to stop the blender to scrape down the sides and check to make sure that everything is blended well. After it is blended, you pour it into a bowl that has been lined with plastic wrap for easier removal.
scrape it all in. Just wrap it up, sealing it tight so the air stays out while it's in the refrigerator setting. After it has cooled, it'll be set up. You can use the plastic to help mold it without getting your hands messy. It's okay to use your hands if you like, but I just prefer to use the plastic wrap. It helps get it molded into a nice smooth ball. Then you take your cheese ball out. I've chopped up some pecans, but you can use any nut or seed of your choice. And roll it around and pushing the nuts or seeds into the cheese ball. It's not necessary to do this step. If you prefer not to have anything on it, it's fine. We just prefer to have the nuts on ours. It makes it look more like a traditional cheese ball. Then put it on your plate. And you can serve this with crackers, vegetables, or any other bread or chip of your choice. And there you have it. Gluten-free, dairy-free, raw cheese ball.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell. And don't forget to download the free recipe booklet in the description below. Happy Thanksgiving!